Megan Rapinoe and Sue Bird are two talented players retiring from the world of soccer. The teammates and longtime friends have played together for over a decade, and now their time has come to an end. Both women achieved immense success during their professional careers, winning multiple Olympic gold medals, 4 World Cup wins, and major honors. Rapinoe and Bird have been essential figures in the growth of women's soccer in the United States, providing much of the inspiration and drive that has led to greater public recognition and support. From her empowering speeches to her strong activism, Megan Rapinoe made a name for herself that will be remembered for years to come. Sue Bird, on the other hand, will be remembered for her incredible on-the-field performances, along with her incredible charisma and leadership. Rapinoe and Bird have been an integral part of the US for more than a decade, and their retirement is a major blow to the team and the sport. The pair's chemistry and understanding on the field was second to none, and they have been a major part of the team's success throughout their time together. It is impossible to underestimate the importance of Megan Rapinoe and Sue Bird in the development of the women's game, and their retirement marks the end of an era. Rapinoe was a driving force behind the team's strong 2019 World Cup campaign, and her goals and leadership will be difficult to replace. Bird was always a reliable figure for the team, providing consistent performances from midfield and contributing to their dominance in recent years. Their retirement signifies a new era for the US, as they are now faced with the challenge of replacing two of the best players the game has ever seen. Although the task will undoubtedly be difficult, the team is more than capable of continuing their success without Megan Rapinoe and Sue Bird. The lasting impact that Megan Rapinoe and Sue Bird have had on the game will not soon be forgotten. Both women have made a lasting impact on their sport with their success as well as the inspiration they have provided to other aspiring female athletes. Their retirements are a bittersweet moment for the world of soccer, as fans everywhere will miss the dynamic duo's presence on the pitch. While we're sad to see them go, we're also grateful for all that they have done for the game. From their accomplishments on the field to their activism outside of it, Megan Rapinoe and Sue Bird have left an indelible mark on the sport. Megan Rapinoe and Sue Bird have defined an era in women's soccer, paving the way for a new generation of players and inspiring an entire generation to come. It is clear that both women have provided guidance, been role models, and served as a source of inspiration for many. Not only have Rapinoe and Bird excelled on the field, but their influence in the game of soccer will be felt for years to come. Their commitment to the sport, their fearless leadership, and their determination to continue to fight for the rights of female athletes will be remembered. Megan Rapinoe and Sue Bird have achieved incredible success in their respective careers, but their legacy will extend far beyond that. Despite their retirement, their legacy and influence in the sport will live on and inspire generations of female soccer players for years to come. Megan Rapinoe and Sue Bird's impact on the sport has been immense, and the two of them will be sorely missed. Although we'll miss seeing the dynamic duo on the pitch, we're excited to see what's next for them as they embark on their post-playing careers.